We had a leak in our house and we weren't sure what was causing it. So I said to Deb, let me call Couto and we'll get a quote and we'll see if we can figure it out. So first call I made, I spoke with Tian. And I tell you, I was joking back and forth with her. So she scheduled, she said, I'm gonna make an appointment with Alex for you. My wife and I just got a vibe that he was just so easy to interact with. He was just right there, explained everything over and over again. We told him what our problem was, and he gave us 3 options. If you're gonna do a roof, in my mind, there's only one way to do it, just the whole roof, so everything matches. Debbie and I spoke about it, thought about it, and I said, Alex, let's go for the whole roof. And I've been wanting to get gutter guards for many, many years. I said, you guys do Master Shield, so let's quote us with the Master Shield gutter guards installed also. Next thing, I get a call from Caitlin, who was unbelievable, and she said, I'm going to be your guide through the whole process. She said, I'm going to give you the crew that I would do my house with. She said they're going to deliver the materials on Saturday. The crew will come up on Monday and do the job. They were all very pleasant to work with, and they knew their stuff. And as it turns out, it was good that we went with a complete job, because the problem originally was in the back of the house, but when they stripped off the front of the house, there was a bad piece of CDX plywood. From start to finish, they did everything that they promised they would do, and they did it in a timely manner, an efficient manner, and the crews and everybody we work with. My wife and I had great rapport with everybody, and if we ever need anything else done, I would have no qualms about contacting Couto again to take care of a job in the future if we needed something done.